Welcome to Rustbuster's installation guide for Nissan's 1997 to 2004 Frontier. Before you begin, if you are uncomfortable performing any of these procedures, we strongly suggest seeking a qualified professional. Make sure you have all required tools and utilities. Follow all manufacturer safety precautions. Step 1. Disconnect the vehicle's battery. Inspect for fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines or engine components. Repair or remove any hazards before starting. Step 2. Remove the inner fender liner. Remove any fuel lines, brackets, clips, or other components from the work area. Unbolt, then lift the core support. Step 3. Cut off the factory core support mount along the base where it is welded to the frame rail. Avoid cutting into the frame rail itself. Grind the area to bare metal and apply weld-through primer. Inspect the frame rail where the core support mount is located. If the frame rail is damaged or rusted, install a frame repair kit before proceeding. Position the replacement core support mount using the factory silhouette for alignment. Step 5. Following proper welding procedure, tack weld the mount in place. Then fully weld all edges. MIG or stick welding is recommended. Step 6. Install the included hardware. The M8 flange hex bolt secures the bumper support bar, and the M6 flange hex bolt secures the ground cable. The M8 bolt uses a 13mm socket, and the M6 bolt uses a 10mm socket. Finally, apply a rust-inhibiting top coat. We recommend our Rustbuster Rust Converter and Primer Spray Paint. Once dry, reinstall the core support, then reinstall the inner fender liner.